Okay, okay, shout out tayo, Maricoy GRE, Sunshine. Umiiko naman pala. Sis Marie Chris. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mariam Lee, Maricoy GRE, Sis Mi GRE, Sis Melanie. Ayan, maraming salamat. Sir D is in its vlog. Ayan. Sisikoy Stevie. At sino to? Rudy. Rudy Irahita. Yan, shout out to you and thank you for joining in my live. Yan, 3 minutes more to go guys. Maraming salamat. Okay, pwede nang iwanan. Bahala kung maiko-iko dyan. Ang tigas ng volume, i-low. Sira na kasi yung ano ng volume. Halos matatanggal na siya. Kaya hayaan na natin. 2 minutes. Okay, pwede nang iwanan. Yan, ingat-ingat ng lahat. Saan man kayo paruroon. Whatever you will do. Wherever you will go, keep safe everyone. Happy Sunday. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day. Ingat. Bye-bye. Adios. Wala bang ads? Kung may nagpa-ads, hintayin ko. Okay. Ingat, take care, bye-bye. Ads kay Maricoy GRS. Okay, last ads. Thank you. Okay, mag-bye ka na lang, Maricoy GRS, pagtapos na yung ads. Tapos na ba? Sige.